Triumph revealed its new Speedmaster, a modern British cruiser that shares many similarities with the Bonneville Bobber but with more practical versatility. The 2018 Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster is targeted for those who like the Bonneville T120 but want more touring capability and cruiser styling, or a Bonneville Bobber but want seating for a passenger. The new Speedmaster is powered by the same 1200cc high-torque engine and the same tuning as the Bobber, claiming 77 horsepower at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 78.2 pounds-to-foot at 4,000 revolutions per minute. According to Triumph, the engine produces 10% more horsepower and torque than the Bonneville T120 at 4,500 revolutions per minute. And for those who are familiar with the old 865cc Speedmaster, the new model and its larger engine claims a 25% increase in peak horsepower and 42% increase in maximum torque output. The chrome stainless steel exhaust system is actually twin-skin to hide the catalytic converter, and delivers a distinctive exhaust note Triumph describes as being deeper and richer than the Bonneville T120. A ride-by-wire throttle system offers two riding modes, road and rain. Cruise control and traction control come as standard. The chassis is similar to the Bobbers, with a gloss black powder-coated tubular steel twin cradle frame and a hardtail look. The rear subframe is different, to better support the weight of a passenger. Rider footbeds are mounted farther forward for a cruiser-style riding position, while the swept-back beach bars make for an easy, comfortable reach. The wire-spoke front wheel sports twin 310mm discs with Brembo twin-piston floating calipers. A single 255mm rotor and single-piston Nissan caliper is paired to the rear wheel. ABS comes standard. The gatered 41mm cartridge front fork offers 3.5 inches of travel, while the hidden rear shock offers 2.9 inches of travel, which Triumph claims is up to 36% more than similar styled bikes from other manufacturers. The rear shock is also preload adjustable with multiple stepped settings to improve rider and pillion comfort. Speaking of pillions, the rear seat is removable, and Triumph offers an optional backrest. Other features include a full LED headlight, with daytime running light in some markets outside North America, LED rear light, LED turn signals, circular instrument nacelle with analog tachometer and LCD digital display, and a torque assist clutch for reduced clutch lever effort. The fuel tank is larger than the Bobbers, holding 3.2 gallons of fuel. Triumph claims the Speedmaster gets 65.4 miles per gallon. Triumph also claims a 590-pound dry weight. The 2018 Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster will arrive in dealerships in February, with 3 color options: jet black, cranberry red and a two-tone fusion white and Phantom black with twin coach line. Pricing is to be announced.